Welcome, the energy of money. Let's get started. Let's make some money. So, like anything in the universe, money is an energy. I really like this video from Buck Proctor where he takes a bill of money and then he burns it. And it shows that it just transformed and then flew into the universe. So, money is just a physical representation of an exchange of energy. That's it. And money can be, it's not one frequency. Money can be multiple frequencies. We can connect the frequency of money to different layers of the chakras. So if they vibrate in coherence, so money can be safety. If they it vibrate in love in the heart, money can be love. If it vibrate in the dark side, money can be dirty, right? If money doesn't vibrate, there's no money. Well, it's like I am waiting for something outside to come save me. And then we can see money as divine, as golden, right? It's our choice. And for me, money becomes divine when we serve others from the heart. We're um, connecting our will with the will of God, of merging into oneness, into being in one with the ascension process of becoming more than this physical reality. I'm not trying to make money to become rich in this physical reality. I'm trying to make money to um, serve others. And again, I just said trying, the word trying, we need to be very, very careful with this, right? I need to always be careful with my wording. I am making money to be of service, right? And more money that I make, more people I can serve, more projects, more bigger projects I can do for the world. So here, this quote: "Money is only used in two things: the to make you comfortable, yes, to feel safe." I think they show that here in the in America, it's like once you reach like something like $70,000 per year, it's not gonna matter your after that how much money more that you make than this, because you have all your needs met. You feel comfortable, and after that it's your decision. Once you have enough saving to satisfy your monthly lifestyle, that is like to an extent to what you want to spend to experience, then after that money is not going to change anything to you. It's not going to provide more safety or whatever. So then we need to decide to make more money to decide to serve more people. It's really about that. So to the extent your to extend your service far beyond your own presence, right? So it's, if you want to make more money, decide to serve more people. So to build a relationship with anything in life, we need to understand the other party involved, and then we need to start building a communion. So there's another party in front of me, and there is me. And somehow I need to build the physical Pisces where like there's oneness, there's an exchange in the middle, there's a current, there's a give and take on both sides. And then here an example, we use the word currency because currency is a current, right? So it needs to flow. Like this is an image from Avatar, the anime, the air bender, the last avatar. So it explained the chakra, and when they remove rocks in the creeks, then the water can flow. If there is resistance here, they're just pulled on their own, creating their own universe, each of the chakra. It's the same with the heart. The heart is, like receiving and then giving blood. The electric current is the same, right? It's plus and negative. Everything in life is just that. It's the dance of the duality, and then we need to be a clear current, a clear channel for letting the energy. So being worthy of receiving and being worthy of giving. So for this exercise here, I want you to imagine money as a puppy. It's the best representation that we can have to shift our mindset from all the negative programming of money, and see money as this gentle energy, this cute energy, and talk to it in your mind eyes, and then feel it in your heart center. So through this exercise, you're going to go through the Oponopono. You're going to be expressing, I'm sorry for all past misunderstanding, all past experiences. Please forgive me for my unconsciousness. Thank you for always being there for me. I love money. I love you. I love our relationship. It has allowed me to grow so much, right? So, uh, in the PDF here, you're gonna have a step by step on exactly how to write a love letter, and then there's a meditation connecting with this, where you're gonna be visualizing this beautiful puppy, and then you're gonna be feeling it. First, do the letter. It's gonna help you go deeper in the meditation. Have fun, explore. Again, just enjoy the game of life. Enjoy. We're just having fun here, learning about ourselves, learning about God. Thank you.